Welcome back to IASTech. Incorporating TinyMCE, a popular WYSIWYG editor, into an Angular 17 project enhances text input capabilities. This detailed guide walks you through the process step by step. So there are some prerequisites that you must have. First, you need to have Node.js and NPM installed on your system, and you need to have basic familiarity with Angular 17 concepts and Angular CLI. Let's continue to the first step, that is setting up your Angular project. So first of all, make sure you have Angular CLI installed by running this command in your terminal: npm install -g or -g at angular/CLI. Okay, press enter and it will install it globally for you in your system. And once it is done, you need to generate a new project which will be configured with the default setting. Just write ng-new and project name that will create the project for you. Once it is created, you can go into your project and open it in your editor, and then in the root directory of your project we need to install some dependencies. So here I will be running the command npm install save tinymce and tinymce/tinymce-angular. Press enter. This would install all of the dependencies in your package.json. Next, you need to modify the app module if you are not using Angular 17 standalone components. But if you are using standalone component, you can directly import the dependencies in the app component. So we have to import the editor module. Make sure to import it like this. This module contains the necessary directives and services to use TinyMCE in your Angular components. Next, we will be setting up the app component template in your app component.html. Add the TinyMCE editor element by using this command editor and add a directive init. So this init attribute or directive allows you to pass configuration options like plugins to the editor instance. So I will pass it an object with the property plugins and give it a string. Let's link image table code help word count. You can find the list of available plugins from their website as well if you want to. Next, the TinyMCE library needs to be included in your project's assets for it to be bundled correctly in your angular.json. Add a new entry to the assets array. Here you just need to add an object, and there you need to add globe and then input node modules/tinymce. Okay, and then use the output TinyMCE. So all of this is mentioned in the documentation. You can just go there and copy paste if you want to. So this configuration ensures that TinyMCE assets including theme, skins and plugins are correctly handled during the build process and are available at runtime. Now let's quickly test it. So first of all, let me restart the server. Alright, now it is loaded correctly. So it is showing you a warning: this domain is not registered with TinyCloud. Please see the quick start guide and create an account. So you have to link it with that, then it will not show this warning. You can temporarily remove that anyways. Alright, you have successfully integrated the TinyMCE into your Angular application, allowing for rich text editing capabilities. This integration not only enhances the user interface but also offers numerous customization options through TinyMCE's extensive plugin library. I hope that this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming such videos. And also, if you have any comments, feedback or questions, then leave them in the comment section, and make sure to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.